How to connect the UE wonderboom Bluetooth speaker with a Windows 11 computer desktop or laptop using the Bluetooth settings. First, you want to go into the startup menu and click on the settings option right here. So go to settings, and as you are in the settings section, now you want to go to where it says Bluetooth and devices. So once you click there, you'll go ahead and turn on the Bluetooth settings. You'll turn on the switch here, and if this switch is not available, try to check your device manager and see if the Bluetooth adapter needs to be enabled or even updated. Now with that said, you want to click over here where it says add device, and as you do that, you'll see this appear, and you want to go to where it says Bluetooth. This will allow your computer to start searching for nearby devices such as a Bluetooth device, earphones, or Bluetooth speaker. Now with that said and done, on your UE speaker here, there is two things you'll have to do. First, of course, assuming you have some battery life in it, as you turn it on, you'll get this. And you want to get it into pairing mode, which is holding down this little button right here. Hold it down until you hear a fancy drum roll like play, right? So hold it down. Alright, that means you now got the speaker into pairing mode, and you'll notice the rapid white blinking light here, and yours may be different depending on the model you have. Now once that's set up like that and ready to go, you'll notice that where it says add a device will now have the UE wonderboom here, or just wonderboom as an audio device. And as you click on it, it'll connect for you. You'll hear that from the speaker, meaning that it's fully connected and ready to use. And you can press done. You'll see this right here show up here. You can also check down to the bottom right where the speaker is. You'll click on that, and where this arrow is right here, you can choose whether it comes out from the speaker, the wonderboom speaker, or your built-in speakers of your computer. And if these are not there for some odd reason, you can also go back to where it says system to the top left here, go to where it says sound, and change the output as to where the audio will come out from. So it's either the wonderboom or the speakers of your computer. And that is that. Like, sub, and thanks for watching.